The Restoration Technical Institute, rtilearning.com, offers 3 ways to learn and master your skills: our digital training solution, live classes, or self-paced. Subscribe today to the Digital Training Solution, your solution to onboarding, training and retraining, employee development and engagement, and to manage the learning process. You can register for live in-person or online classes, buy on-demand self-paced courses, our interactive course catalog allows you to find exactly what you are looking for. You can explore by subject matter, by type of learning, and more. Knowledge, passion, and inspiration for your success.